Introducing Flownex 2025 Release 3, a powerful upgrade built to deliver unmatched simulation accuracy and performance. Now supporting improved metadata features. A new functionality has been added to Flownex, allowing metadata to be specified on components and charts. Relevant data such as drawings, reference calculations, characterization data, and notes can now be stored in your Flownex project for quick and easy access. Firstly, metadata can be stored on components placed on the drawing canvas. Effortlessly add existing documents from your computer that describe the components in your model. Metadata can be in the form of images, Word documents, Excel files, PDF files, or text files. Secondly, metadata can be stored on custom components. New Word documents, Excel files, or text files can be created to add information of the custom components in your project library. Adding instructions or limitations for your custom components makes it easier for future use. Lastly, metadata can be stored on charts and lookup tables. Data can be added in Excel and processed with inbuilt Excel functionalities. The added metadata is stored with the custom components and charts so that the information can carry over when being shared. Specifying metadata in your network ensures that important information will always be readily available in the Flownex network, making future work with the same network a lot simpler. If you would like to learn more about this capability, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or would like a demonstration, feel free to reach out to us at flownex.com and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Stay tuned, Release 3 is coming soon.